FDA authorized Jacobo for rare Menkes disease. The US Food and Drug Administration recently authorized the Jacobo copper histidinate as the first treatment for Menkes disease in pediatric patients. Jacobo has been approved for use in children suffering from Menkes disease, a rare and often fatal genetic disorder. The therapy has been developed by Sentinel Therapeutic Inc., which is wholly owned by Zydus Life Sciences, as Sentinel acquired the drug from Cuprium Therapeutic in 2023, as shown in the figure. About Menkes disease, it is a rare X-linked genetic disorder that affects body's ability to process copper. Menkes disease is a neurodegenerative neurodegenerative disorder caused by a genetic defect that prevents a proper absorption and distribution of copper in the body, as shown in the figure. Dietary copper goes to small intestine. High copper, kidney has also high copper, but due, uh, due to body's disability, genetic disorder, brain have a low copper, skin and hair also have a low copper, and bone becomes weak due to low copper. It is caused by a mutation of ATP7A gene located on the X chromosome. This ATP7A gene affects how body transports copper and maintains copper levels. While the body only uses a small amount of copper, even this tiny amount is required for many functions. Copper helps with metabolism, brain functioning, blood vessel and blood cell formation, wound healing, and the immune system. Copper also helps to convert iron into an usable form in the body, because the condition prevents the body from using copper correctly. Menkes disease can lead to serious damage to the brain and nervous system and can harm a child's development. It occurs mostly in male infants and is characterized by coarse kinky hair, leading to its nickname of kinky hair syndrome disease, as well as a failure to grow and thrive. There is not a cure for Menkes disease, but early treatment with copper can help reduce symptoms and prolong disease.